Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm going to walk you through how to book an appointment with Service Canada. Before I proceed further, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also, please let me know what you feel about this. So guys, in front of you, I have opened this e-Service Canada appointment booking tool where you have the overview, passport services, okay, and biometric collection booking tool. So you need to read terms and condition, and if you're okay, you can click that. Okay. Now, what is asking for language of service, booking type, biometric or passport. So let's say you want to go for biometric, so biometric. So of course, like I'm only booking it, but I'm gonna put some sample. I'm not sure if I can go to the next stage. But I would like a private space. I select no. For the application number is valid for the number on your. Okay. Let me just put a sample and go it from here. So I put a sample number and hopefully it goes this time. A number of set yes. One, let's go to next. Okay, perfect. So name. Again, I won't be booking it. Telephone number. Email address needs to be there. Okay, location and postal code where you are living. So I'm just gonna go through this and then I'm gonna see you guys. Then it is asking like, do you need anything or any of these additional services? I select no. Search your closest. Okay. Now you can put a something and search. For example, if I search, let's say Kingston. Kingston. Search. Okay. So you can select where you can go. And it has also the description about the services, languages, and other things that are present. So you can select one. You can select the date, time. Okay, it's available. Green means it's available. And this location. Once you click on book my appointment, it's gonna be. So I'm not gonna do that, but that's how it works. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.